Hey everyone, this is the Yamaha Exciter 155 VVA, a sharp underbone style sport machine that's built to hustle through the city and look fast standing still. Let's start with the design. You get aggressive bodywork with full LED lighting front and rear and a crisp LCD dash showing speed, RPM, gear position, trip data, and service reminders. The handlebar sits at a sweet spot, easy to flick in traffic, stable when you open it up. Lightweight 17-inch alloy wheels wear properly wide tires to fill the arches and boost cornering confidence. The heart of the bike is a liquid-cooled single-cylinder 155cc SOHC 4-valve engine with VVA, variable valve actuation. It switches the intake cam profile as revs climb, so you get easy torque down low and stronger pull up top. Output sits around 17 to 18 horsepower with roughly 14 newton meters of torque, varies by year or market. A 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch keeps shifts light and smooth and helps reduce rear wheel hop on hard downshifts. Under the skin, the underbone frame keeps weight low and steering quick. Suspension is a telescoping fork up front and a monoshock at the rear, tuned on the sportier side for this class. Braking is handled by disc rotors front and rear for strong bite and heat control. Some markets may not include ABS, so modulate your lever and leave a safety margin on slick surfaces. The riding position is Sport-commuter, a supportive rider saddle with a slightly stepped passenger seat. It's easy to squeeze through traffic and fun to lean into short corners. Underseat storage is compact, typical for an underbone, so many riders add a small rack or tail bag if they carry extras. Fuel capacity is around 5 to 6 liters, good for a week of city runs for most owners. Handy touches include an engine kill switch, hazard lights on select trims, and, depending on the market, phone connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app for ride logs and service info. The cluster is bright and readable, day or night. Quick care tips rider to rider: change engine oil on schedule and don't forget the final drive oil. Clean and lube the chain every 500 to 700 kilometers or after heavy rain. Keep tire pressures in check, roughly high 20s front and low 30s rear in PSI, adding a bit if you carry a passenger. Set clutch-free play properly for the slickest shifts. Who's it for? Riders who want a manual clutch sport commuter that's quick, compact, and easy to live with every day. New enthusiasts who want to learn gears and clutch on a friendly platform. And modders, because exhausts, tires, brake upgrades, and cosmetics are plentiful for the Exciter platform. Pros: punchy VVA engine, 6-speed box with assist and slipper clutch, full LED lighting, clear LCD dash, nimble chassis, and great tuning potential. Watchouts: limited underseat storage, firmer stock suspension on rough roads, and ABS availability depends on your market and trim. Bottom line, if you want a bike that's fun, fast-feeling, and still practical for urban life, the Yamaha Exciter 155 VVA deserves a spot on your shortlist. Sit on one at the showroom, click through the gears, and see if it clicks with you. Ride safe!